Here you can see the syllabus of JPSC. It is divided into various sections. The first section is of general studies. Total marks given here is 200. Time 2 hours. This is divided into various portions. Section number A is history of India. It contains 3 parts: ancient India, medieval India, and modern India. Every section contains 5 questions. There is a section number B, which is of geography of India, general geography. 3 questions from the general geography, 3 questions from the physical geography, 2 questions from the economic geography, and 2 questions from social and demographic geography. C part belongs to Indian polity and governance. 10 questions you can see from this section. The rest part of the Indian polity and governance is number 1, Constitution of India. 4 questions come from the Constitution of India. Number 2, public administration and good governance. 4 questions from public administration, governance. 2 questions from decentralization, panchayat and municipalities. Section number D, 10 questions come from the section D, that is economic and sustainable development. Basic feature of Indian economy. From this we can see the 4 questions. Number 2, sustainable development, Indian and economic issues. 4 questions from the sustainable development and economic issues. 2 questions from the economic reform and globalization. Fifth section is a science and technology. 15 questions you can see from this section. It contains general science, 6 questions, agriculture and technology, and economic issues, 4 questions, economic reform and globalization, 2 questions. Fifth section contains 15 questions, science and technology. Okay, I have read this one. Now the sixth section, Jharkhand specific questions, 10 questions you can see from this section also. General awareness of history, society, culture and heritage. National, international, current event, 15 questions. General questions or miscellaneous natures, 15 questions. Not requiring subject explanation, such as human rights, environmental protection, biodiversity and climate change, urbanization, sports, disaster management, poverty and unemployment. Okay, that's now for the today. That's it.